What's the meaning of bodywork? Bodywork. Bodywork.
Bodywork. Bodywork. In general, bodywork refers to therapeutic techniques that involve physical manipulation of the body's tissues to promote healing and relaxation. Specifically, bodywork can include techniques such as massage, chiropractic adjustments, acupressure, and other forms of manual therapy. The goal of bodywork is to address physical imbalances, ease tension and pain, and improve overall health and well-being. Through skilled use of touch, pressure, and movement, bodywork practitioners can help clients release stress and tension, improve circulation and range of motion, and achieve a greater sense of emotional and physical balance.